Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Andhita Prameswari with NPM 2241115 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this presentation, I will make a service management marketing this today presentation. Today's word service play a critical role in our daily and contribute significantly to the economy. Whether it's healthcare, transformation, or even the technology we use. The service sector is thriving and shaping our future. And we will dive into an essential concept of office service marketing, exploring the definition, benefit, and the unique characteristic of service that differentiates it from cycle product. And now let's get started. Understanding the service concept. The definition of service is an intangible offering that provides value through activities, benefit, or satisfactions. Unlike cycle goods, services are not owned but experienced. This core differentiates the entire marketing approach. For example, the range of services offered the vast, encompassing vital sectors like healthcare, educations, transportations, tourism, banking, and more. Consider the doctor diagnosis, the professor lecture, or pilot navigations. These are all intangible services crucial to daily life. And the service is absence of ownership is the defining feature of service. When you purchase a train ticket, you are not buying the train itself, but the service of transportation from the location in other. A service is something that provides value without being a cycle product. It's intangible, meaning you can touch or hold it, but it still feels and needs to provide a benefit. For example, thinks you are going to hospital for medical treatment, using a bank for financial transactions, or booking a flight of travel. These are all services that we can roll on, and they don't result in ownership and of anything tangible. What is the benefit of service for the national economy? 1. GDP contributions. The service sector plays a dominant role in modern economies, often representing a significant percentage of nation's gross domestic product or GDP. This contribution reflects the increasing importance of service in generating economic activities. The next is job creation. Service industries are major employers, creating numerous jobs in areas such as tourism, education, technology, and healthcare. This employment generation is vital from social stability and economic prosperity. The next is economic growth. Well-developed service sector, particularly in finance, transportation, and communications, are key drivers of economic growth. They facilitate great investment and overall economic development. So, the definition, characteristic, and categories of service is 1. Definitions. Services are non-cycle products that offer value to customers without transferring ownership of any tangible goods. Unlike cycle products, services provide benefit or solution to customers through actions, experience, or process. The next is characteristic of service. The service or characteristic is 1. Intangible. Service cannot be touched or cyclically owned. you can experience or feel the aspect or the service, but it it is doesn't result of ownership of something tangible. For example, you can experience a goods rights, but you don't own the place or the service itself. 2. Inspirability. The production and consumptions of the service happen at the same time. For existence, where you go to a restaurant, the food preparation and your consumptions of the meal occur together. This makes this delivery of service heavily dependent in customer interaction and experience. The next is variability. Service quality can over depending on who provide it, where are the provide and under than from states. For example, two different hair cares hairdressers in the same salon may offer the same service, but the quality is their work any vary. The next is perishability. Service cannot be stored or future as. They exist only the moment they are provided. For instance, an empty seat of the flight cannot be saved for a future passenger. It just unused for a given day. This makes managing supply and demand essential in service industries. And yeah, this is definitions, characteristic, and category of service. Let's move on the next slide is categorized service. The consumer service is the are directed of individual consumer and includes healthcare, education, entertainment, and personal care. Focus on meeting personal needs and exchange quality of life. The next is commercial service. This is really on commercial service like banking, transportations, insurance, and consulting to support their operation and facilitate growth. Their services are essential for B2B interaction. The next is public service. Provided by the government, public service like security, public administrations. The The infrastructure development serves the community as the whole, ensuring society by being. The next is marketing mix, the 7 P's of service. There are 1. Product. The core service offering designed to meet specific customer needs. This includes the service feature, benefit, and overall value propositions. 2. Price. The pricing strategy reflects the price value and competitive landscape. Pricing model can vary based on service durations, complexity, and demand. 3. Place. Distribution channel and access point for the service. This considers cycle locations, online platform, and other delivery methods. The next is place. Distribution channel and access point for the service. This consider cycle locations, online platform, and other delivery methods. The next is promotions. Communication strategy to raise awareness and attract customers. This includes advertising, public relations, and other promotional activities. And the next is people. The frontline staff and service provider are crucial for service delivery. Their skill, attitude, and behavior directly impact customer experience. The next is process. The step and procedure involved of delivering the service, efficient and customer-centric process are essential for service quality. The next is cycle evidence. Tangible elements that support the service experience, such as facility, equipment, and staff uniforms. This provide cues about service quality. So the conclusion is lesson. Effective efficient marketing requires a holistic understanding the concept of service, their characteristic, and the in relationship of the seven P's. By carefully managing each element, business can create expansional customer experience that stand out and difference themselves from their competitor. Okay, that's all for my presentation. If you enjoyed the presentation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.